This was an important moment for us. Gathering people today to discuss and commit to supporting vulnerable children and young adults is an important conversation. It's an important moment for us here in Phoenix.
I was overwhelmed before you guys started helping me because it's like I was trying to do the right thing as far as getting like a protection order or something and trying to improve my situation, but it felt like one thing happens and something else happens. But after I got the help, and I was just so thankful, and there's not really a word for it because you guys took the burden off of me and put it on yourselves.
At Always, we're lawyers for vulnerable children and young adults and survivors of human trafficking. Legal help for free, and we do it in immigration cases, we do it in family court, we help people address their criminal history. Anything that will help our clients lead to safety and stability in their family.
You guys cared and still ask how everything's going, got to know me on a personal level. It's been an amazing experience.
This summit is an opportunity for real debate, because not everyone in the room will agree with the tactics or the way in which you should proceed when you leave the summit today.
We see things happen to our clients over and over, and we wanted the community to be able to come together. We want to hear from them. Are they seeing the same things that we see over and over? And are there things that we can be doing as a community to get the attention of policymakers and the judicial system so that we can start to make changes in the system to better support our vulnerable youth and children?
So today I introduced the mayor, and I was so nervous because, I mean, it's the mayor. So that made me nervous. I feel great that I could even be in a room full of, I mean, I guess all these important people who are kind of in charge of the law and just the future of like Arizona or Phoenix, you know? So it's like, I was in a room filled with people who can make a difference.
That room was filled with powerful people, some with powerful titles, but most importantly, people filled with powerful passion, passion for doing right by the population of youth and young people that Always, the attorneys, the staff, the community serves, and change that young person's life. Because it's not just a lawyer, it could also turn into a role model. Once we get them back on track, back in education or job training, the things that they overcame, the resilience that they've shown, those are the kind of characteristics that we really make great leaders in the communities. A lot of energy, a lot of positive energy in that room. Creating advocates by getting together, understanding the policy issues so that they could work on them together. They're much, much stronger voice. So there's a lot of power in bringing the nonprofit community, the foundation community, political leaders, business leaders in the same room at the same time, kind of better understanding the underlying issues and better focus in on how we can make policy changes that will support these young people. That's power, and that's exactly what was happening in that room.
We have tough work at Always, but we also have the privilege of working with very inspiring clients every day. Throughout the forum today, I received a lot of feedback from people that were here that were touched and motivated to be a part of a movement going forward to create some change. And that's really what today was about.